What if I told you that one simple ingredient could make your sugar cookies from good to absolutely amazing? Today I'm sharing a fun and easy recipe for tangerine frosted sugar cookies using tangerine essential oil. Not only are they delicious, but they're made with natural, clean flavor, perfect for any occasion. Welcome to Oils with Lynn. I love helping families find simple, natural solutions for mind, heart, and body, and even in the kitchen. Did you know you can use essential oils to add bright, natural flavor to your favorite recipes? It's quick, it's easy, and it eliminates artificial flavors and additives. Today, I'm showing you how to make one of my favorite treats. It's tangerine frosted sugar cookies. The sweet vanilla frosting combined with the refreshing citrusy flavor of tangerine essential oil makes this cookie absolutely irresistible. So let's get started. What you'll need: your favorite sugar cookie dough, homemade or store-bought, no judgment here. You'll also need 1 can of vanilla frosting or your own homemade buttercream frosting. You'll need 3 to 5 drops of doTERRA tangerine essential oil. You're going to want to adjust this to the taste that you like. So here's the steps. Number 1 is bake the cookies. Start by rolling out your sugar cookie dough and cutting it into your favorite shapes. Bake according to the recipe or package instructions and let them cool completely before frosting. Number 2, make the tangerine frosting. You're going to add 3 to 5 drops of tangerine essential oil to the vanilla frosting and mix thoroughly. Then taste it. Start small. Essential oils are concentrated, so a little goes a long way. Taste and adjust it if you want a stronger citrus flavor. Number 3, frost and decorate. Once the cookies are cool, spread the tangerine frosting generously on top. For a finishing touch, add a sprinkle of zest, sprinkles, or a little sugar sparkle. Number 4, enjoy. These cookies are light, sweet, and bursting with natural tangerine flavor. They're perfect for family gatherings, parties, or just a fun treat at home. Tangerine essential oil is such a beautiful, refreshing flavor for use in baking. Not only does it add a bright and natural citrus taste, but it's also free from those artificial additives often found in extracts. Plus, it's versatile, great for desserts, smoothies, and so much more. Okay, here's the biggest tip. You'll always want to use CPTG, certified pure tested grade essential oils, like doTERRA's, to ensure they're safe, pure, and perfect for internal use. And there you have it, tangerine frosted sugar cookies. They're simple to make and full of clean, natural flavor. Trust me, these will become a family favorite. Are you ready to try this recipe for yourself? You can find a link in the description to order tangerine essential oil and add this bright, citrusy goodness to your kitchen. I've also included in the description a free resource for you: 100 essential oil uses, a guide packed with ideas to help you use essential oils for your health, home, and cooking. If you love this recipe, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more natural living tips and recipes. Happy baking, and I'll see you guys next time.